Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market and let's analyze the Bank Nifty chart to find out important key levels for the next week for the short term. Along with that, we'll discuss some important Q3 updates and everything about the stock market. So to know the Bank Nifty level, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for stock market update and for wealth creation. So let's start video with important Q3 update that came in the last week. Last week, TCS, HCL Tech, Infosys, they all result has already there in the Q3 updates, and you can go through with the important Q3 update related to your holding or anything if you want to buy, or you should definitely uh, keep checking the Q3 results. Yesterday, the Reliance Industry posted result and it was good. It was their profit is up. Profit is actually at 18,645 crore, and which was last Q and Q at 18,540 crore tha. So 18,645 crore consolidated net profit versus Q on Q 18,165 crore or Y on Y 18,540 crore. This is quickly I'm telling the result is good and profit increase हुआ है and Reliance posted definitely good result and you can check other results also and even SDFC Live has posted good result. So you can go through. And yes, today on Saturday, the HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, and Yes Bank, they are going to post their Q3 updates today on Saturday, means on 17th of January. So keep your eyes on these important banking results. Now let's quickly come to the chart and find out the levels. And I have drawn this formation which you should know. I will discuss, and this is daily because I'm talking short term for the week, for the next week especially. And you can see I have drawn this line which, and this trend line which is giving, you can see here, which is giving this support. Once from here it has given a breakout, went till here, again taken support on this line only, and then again went to almost around all time high, again came back around this line, and then made this w pattern, went again to the all time high of 60,400, again came to this level only and touched the trend line. You can say exactly it has touched this line, and then again reversal happened from the Nifty Bank. So this line, if you see, it's very crucial support, giving very crucial support to Nifty Bank. From here to here, I have drawn, and I am finding that again, if it's coming back to the level of this trend line, which is 59,000 around, I will take it overall. If I say 159,100 अराउंड यहाँ तक, या फिर 59,000 तो नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि ये इसके ऊपर है, तो हाँ 59,100 से 59,200 ऐसे इस अराउंड इस ट्रेंड लाइन के आसपास ही अब ये सपोर्ट लेने वाला है. It is going to take support on this trend line only. So 59,100, keep your eyes on this level which is giving this support, and ऊपर में आपको this all time high already है जो कि again it is ready to give the good resistance. Even on Monday only you can see. So what formation is being made? This formation is triangle, ascending triangle, we can say ascending triangle. What is happening that this area you can see it's going narrow, it's going to be narrow, it slowly it is going to be narrow. That means somewhere here upside or somewhere here downside, either side, up or down, I don't know what will happen, but yes, किसी साइड में तो इसका या तो ब्रेकआउट और ब्रेक डाउन इज लुकिंग इमिनेंट. सो keep your eyes upside also. If it's giving breakout, keep your eyes that it is going to break this level upside or not, or it is taking resistance and coming back to the level of 59,100 around, या फिर ब्रेकआउट देके कहीं ऊपर जाता है, तो दिस आई विल अपडेट इन नेक्स्ट वीक डेफिनेटली, बट यू कैन वॉच दिस लेवल ऑफ 60,400 ऑल टाइम हाई. If it's giving breakout, definitely I have already shared in my first week video for the year, ये एक ट्रेंड लाइन जो इस बनाएगा 60,700 के आसपास तक ये जाएगा, एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर वी कैन सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग नेक्स्ट. बट अभी के लिए आई एम नॉट जंपिंग ऑन this. Let's see what is happening next week. Let's see is it going to break it or not. So that's why I'm not jumping over the 60,400 at least now. एंड ब्रेक डाउन होता है तो डेफिनेटली एक अगेन इट विल टेक अ सपोर्ट हियर, दिस लाइन यू कैन सी, ये वाली लाइन जो मैं बना रही हूँ, लाइक यू कैन सी हियर, it may take support here around, kai bar it has taken support on this line, which is 58,600, 58 sorry 58,600. So still I'm also not jumping here, I'm just mentioning the level. If it's breaking 59,100 or 59,000 around, it may reach to 58,600, I can say, will be the next support after breaking 59,100. First, keep watch on 59,100 only. So, overall, I have discussed this formation of ascending triangle, and we have to watch that ascending triangle breakout is happening which side, either upside or downside, that we need to watch. Last Saturday, last Friday, yeah, definitely Nifty Bank has given a very good move. You can see this candle of Friday, very good candle, positive candle, and it is looking that again it is going to touch the all-time high of 60,400, very imminent. But यहाँ के बाद ये क्या करता है, that we don't know, as the result is also expected today for the private banks. So we need to watch these banks also going to give some moves, some direction to the Nifty bank like HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. So I have discussed in detail what has happened last week. You can see from here, last week fall happened definitely around 2%, that I have discussed in my last week video. But last week here some good fall happened around 2%, I have discussed last week in the last video. But from here it has given very good move, Nifty Bank has given a very good move from here to here. Matlab it has almost covered all the maximum fall. So ये वीक ये वॉच कर लेना 60,400. देन नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल डिस्कस the update. I mentioned the Nifty Bank level. Important support is 59,100. Breaking this will take it to 58,600, and resistance is definitely 60,400 only. I am not going beyond 60,400 all time high for at least for last this week.